I'm not a law official, but I'm on the totem pole. Can you feel me? People ask me, hey, Cadaver Dog, you carry a gun? I'm 6'4", 280 pounds. Can you feel me?